In this video, I'm going to be going over how to hide author name in WordPress posts step by step. Hiding and removing the author name in WordPress post is a quick and easy process. By the end of this video, you will successfully have your author name hidden and removed from your WordPress post. Let's get started. To start, I'm here on the WordPress post I have. You'll see the author name showing here. To remove this, right-click in an area and click Inspect. Click the Select a Element icon here in the left. It'll turn blue when you click on it. Hover over your author name and click it. You'll see the author name class. Copy it. Something I'm going to note is that yours might say something a little different, as different themes can use different author class names. I provide the code in the description below. Just input the class name where it says your specified class. Next, I'll click the X button to exit out of this. Up at the top, click the Customize tab. Click Additional CSS. Enter a dot, and then paste in the author name class we copied. Next, enter a curly bracket, skip a line, type in display, and select display. Enter a colon, type in none, and select none. Enter a semicolon. You'll see the author name has now been removed. Click the Publish button to save your changes. You'll notice the by on mine is still showing where the author name was. Here's what to do to remove this in case you have this on your theme. I provide a link in the description that provides the code you can copy and paste. I've also provided the code for common ones like posted by and written by as well. Copy the code based on your needs. My theme has by, so I'll skip 2 lines from the previous code we just entered. I'll enter a dot and type byline. Next, enter a curly bracket, skip a line, type in display, and select display. Type in a colon and type in none. Select none. Put in a semicolon. You will see the by is now removed. Click the Publish button to save your changes. I'll pull up a view of my site and you'll see the author name has successfully been removed. That is how to hide author name in WordPress posts. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment. Letting us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more WordPress tutorial videos.